Hello students, this is a video of subject science, chapter number 8, standard 3rd, and the chapter name is Our Earth in Space. Now this chapter includes our Earth, shape of the Earth, movements of the Earth, that is rotation and revolution, and day and night. So dear students, we all know that our Earth is the third planet from the Sun. The Earth is a planet. It is the only planet that has life on it. The Earth is also known as the blue planet because about 3/4 of its surface is water and 1/4 is land. The Earth is home to all living things. The environment on the Earth is suitable for living things. It is surrounded by air which provide the gases required by living beings for breathing. It has oxygen, nitrogen, hydrogen, carbon dioxide and many other gases. Now next topic is shape of the Earth. Dear students, people in ancient time did not know too much about the Earth. They only noticed the flat surface. The Earth is very big and it was not possible for the people to go for far places. They did not go for far places. They thought that the Earth was flat like a plate and has edges, but later on some sailors undertook sea voyages and proved that the Earth is not flat but round in shape. About 900 years ago, Ferdinand Magellan set sail from the Spain in September 1590. He sailed in the same direction for 3 years and reached the same place from where he had started. This proved that the Earth is round like a ball and is not flat. The fact is that the Earth is spherical like a ball in shape was confirmed by scientists and the photograph taken by the satellites in space. Students, people who have traveled in space have seen the spherical Earth. But dear students, why does the Earth appear flat to us? Why? This is because we see only a small portion of this huge planet which seems flat. When we stand at a seashore means the place where land and the sea meet is known as seashore. Now, what we observe from that seashore? We observe that a ship sailing away from the shore, and we will see that the lower part of the ship disappear first and the top or the upper part disappears last. This is why, because the ship is sailing on the curved surface of the Earth. Now the next topic is movements of the Earth, that is rotation and revolution. Movement of the Earth. Dear students, you have studied in previous chapter that like all the other planets, our earth also moves around the sun. So dear students, earth shows two kinds of movement. First, rotation and revolution. Rotation means the earth spins like a top. While spinning, the top moves round and round on the fixed place. Students, जब हम टॉप को घुमाते हैं तब क्या होता है, वो एक ही जगह पे घूमते रहते हैं. एंड इट इज़ considered that the top spins about an imaginary line passing through its center. This movement is called rotation. In the same way, the earth also spins about an imaginary line called axis, which passes through the center of the earth. This movement of the earth about its axis is called rotation. The earth rotates from west to east and completes one rotation in 24 hours, and this rotation causes day and night. Now the next one is revolution. The movement of the earth around the sun in fixed orbit is called revolution. The earth completes one revolution around the sun in how many days? 365 days. This makes a year, and the revolution of the earth changes season, or we can say that revolution of the earth is responsible for changes in the season. Now next one is day and night. Students, you have already learnt that our earth spins from west to east, and to complete one rotation it takes about 24 hours. This completes a day. The earth spins slowly all the time, but we don't feel any movement because it turns smoothly and at the same speed. The earth continues to revolve or move around the sun. Therefore, different parts of the planets are facing towards the sun or away from it. Therefore, at any time only one half of the earth faces the sun, so the another half of the earth has day, and other part of the earth which is away from the sun has night. In this way, day and night cause on the earth. Now we read some hard word of this chapter. SURROUNDED, surrounded. GATHER, gathered. INFORMATION, information. ANCIENT, ancient. SAILORS, sailors. SAILING, sailing. Read again. Surrounded, gathered, information, ancient, sailors, sailing. UNDERTOOK, undertook. JOURNEY, journey. PARTICULAR, particular. SPHERICAL, spherical. SCIENTISTS, scientist. PORTION, person. Undertook, journey, particular, spherical, scientist, portion. photographs, photographs, satelllites, satellites, confirmed, confirmed, seashore, seashore, disappears, disappears, formation, formation, photographs, satellites, confirmed, seashore, disappears, formation. Now read again all. Surrounded, gathered, information, ancient, sailors, sailing, undertook, journey, particular, spherical, scientist, portion, photographs, satellites, confirmed, seashore, disappears, formation. Now we do some exercises from this lesson. We have already learned this lesson. Now let's do. Number 1. The only planet where life is known to exist is Earth. Earth is the only planet where life is exist. Now second number, the time taken by the Earth to complete one rotation is about. To complete one rotation, how much time is taken? It is taken 24 hours. 24 hours is taken by the Earth to complete one rotation. Now third number, the Earth moves around the Sun in a fixed path called its orbit. Fourth, revolution of the Earth causes. We know that the rotation causes day and night. In the same way, revolution causes changes in the season. Revolution of the Earth causes changes in the seasons. Number 5, 3/4 of the Earth's surface is covered with water. That's why Earth is also known as the blue planet. Now read all again one time. The only planet where life is known to exist is Earth. The time taken by the Earth to complete one rotation is about 24 hours. The Earth moves around the Sun in a fixed path called its orbit. Revolution of the Earth causes changes in the seasons. 3/4 of the Earth's surface is covered with water. Now next, quick recall. In number 1, the Earth is dash in shape. What is the shape of the Earth? We have already learned that the shape of the Earth is spherical, not flat or not in round. It is spherical in shape. The earth is spherical in shape. Number 2, the movement of the earth around the sun is called what? The movement of the earth around the sun is called rotation or revolution. It is called revolution. The movement of the earth around the sun is called revolution. Number 3, the earth spins from dash to dash. The earth spins from east to west or west to east. What we learned in this lesson? In this lesson we learned that the earth spins from west to east. Now number 4, the movement of the earth about its axis is called dash. The movement of the earth about its axis is rotation. If the movement around the sun, that's called revolution, but here the movement of the earth about its axis, that's called the rotation. Now the number 5, 365 days make a year, and 365 days also make a complete revolution. 365 days makes a year. Now read again all. The earth is spherical in shape. The movement of the earth around the sun is called revolution. The earth spins from west to east. The movement of the earth about its axis is called rotation. Now the last one is 365 days make a year.